Thank you for the question, which I think
There is every reason why we should have the right fine-tune the whole ecosystem around education. In Kenya, we have had to review the education system and to make it competence-based. There was a time we were teaching and the education was about academics and what you can cram and what you can regurgitate and what you can do. Today, we are changing that to be much more experiential so that we get more skills, we get more competencies, and that is why 60% of our education is now targeted to STEM subjects.
And I'm extremely happy to see how proud and solution-driven you are when you speak about your own future, and this is why I'm here. I am a leader of a country who wants to be part of that, who wants to invest here, who is very proud of our own past and future, but this partnership, this balanced, generous, lucid, and equal partnership is precisely how we will frame and build our common future. So thank you.